Morning, welcome back to the channel. Starting off with a chair. Had an empty trailer and now it's not as empty, so breaks the ice, gets us a little bit of lubrication to maybe hopefully get a decent load today. If not, we'll be okay. Zooming by the pallet, seen the water hose, and then I seen the pump, and I was like, maybe we got more here than meets the eye. Maybe, possibly. No, just the water hose and the pump. A little piece of aluminum. Yeah, it may not actually be aluminum. Yeah, be fine. Water hose just looks like it's already been modified. Yeah, see, it's already been modified. No good for us. No good for us. I mean, I'll take the cord. Why not, right? I think we'll take us a fan. Gloves are gone. Let's go and make some adjustments to the fan blades. Yeah, there's the good stuff. Some wires sitting there for the picking. Some bends. I don't know those. And last, well, we thought it was last but not least, but we got two more. I like it. I'll harvest the aluminum pieces off of this before it kind of goes on the back of the load. Yeah. Thought I heard it. Mine. Alright. I was zooming down through here and about missed the rotors. Where's the other two? Oh, these come in sets, right? Sets of 2 and sets of 4 and 6, 12, 8, 100, whatever. They don't look that bad, but who am I to, I ain't no mechanic. Well, let's see what I mean, I do got a piece there I'll take. We want this, yeah? That's not connected. Plastic. More plastic here, plastic there, plastic everywhere. With the crutch. I think that's gonna do it for us. It's a broke one, so kind of drill it out and take the aluminum up and over. That's the original color. That's leaving that out in the sun color. Perfect. I mean, we got this. I know what that is, but I do not know what this is. It's plastic. What is it though? And those might be metal, but I'm not gonna take it apart for that little bit. I'll tell you the tree. I mean, we know what the tree is. Well, hello. Up and over. Crow Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Still Christmas, and what is it now? One of those months. That's a long ways away from Christmas. Not quite closer to Christmas than we are to New Year though, so I guess that's a thing. Oh, come here, cord. I want you. Okay, I'm gonna grab the cord, we're gonna continue. I mean, one's better than none, right? About the second half to this one. This one's in one piece though. Stuff. Another chair. another one. And we always do like a chair early, don't we? Sure. Works perfectly fine. And pack and play to boot. That'll work too. Perfect. Perfect. We're doing it. We getting some stuff. But I stopped for that. Well, maybe a clean out. Maybe. I don't know. Doesn't affect us in our picking up ability. Man, it looks like we got a lot, but the Christmas tree's fluffy. Dresser. Headboard. What's that? I gotta look both ways. This is what I seen. What's that? Nothing. Nothing. Just a box. Alright. Well, I don't know if they decided they just wanted to test each of the brands, the Task Force, Weed Eater, what, Black & Decker maybe? Yeah, it's pretty much a guarantee that you're gonna see a Black & Decker with the electric weed eaters. But you know something? That they can have a new life as something else. Oh, what is that? Man, it's aluminum. It's got some brass bits, so I'll take it. Looks like to be the good variety kind, you know. Oh yeah, it's the direct drive, and all pretty, and suitcase. Nothing in it. Magnet, you know. Well, that's a shame, right? Where are we gonna put it? Try there for now. Good place in it. So I got a holder. A hole. Let's grab it like this then. Yep, no. Listen now. There's no need to fight. So that's missing a thingy-majiggy. I'll try to harvest some of those in a little bit. Okay. It's all metal. Works. It's kind of one of those situations where I wish I had something to cut it, because I would take it like in a heartbeat if I had one of those things to cut it. But I did see this too, so I mean, this can go, right? Yeah. But yeah, if I had a sawzaw, I'd zip it, be done with it, and yes, I know it's aluminum breakage. My yard pays 10 cents a pound for a shred and 10 cents a pound for breakage. Go figure. We have a chameleon. I really didn't see it until I pulled up and seen this. And a piece of aluminum, just plastic, nothing. But you know, we'll take our iron and board. Tin can. And morning. Morning, how are you, sir? The day of the dishwashers. Dog says hello. Dog says hello to us. I think I found out why they threw it out. They don't like to close. Okay, this is gonna be a good bit lighter than the full metal one, which is good and bad. I just got soaked. You know something, look, let's have a conversation. I don't like that too much, but I'll take this though. Oh, there's the trash truck. And there's copper sitting right here in front of me. Y'all is gonna let me leave this? What? No. That was so fail. That was not what I intended to do. You know, so I'm not digging out the water hose. Thought about it. We got to get moving. We got 2 more or 3 more. Ooh, 3 more of the chairs. One, 2, and a 3. It's nice. Alright, so you go in here, you go in here. Let's tie you up just in case the wind blows, and you go in here. Tie you up just in case the wind blows. There we go. Ew. 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 Just washed them too. Oh well. It's part of it. It's why we wear it, right? I hit that with a hammer. I think it's stuck for a little while. Button does not work. Free. Power select plate and turntable inside. So I guess some of the buttons don't work. I don't know. You know what that means for us? We got some microwave to take apart. It's not bad. Okay, well, we'll take it. This one looks like in pretty good shape. It's missing the battery. It's got a motor on it. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's missing more than just the battery, isn't it? Missing the seat. Well, I spoke too soon. The rain's starting to move in, so maybe going to the yard here in a little bit. Which is alright, I guess. Route's almost done anyway. Yep, that'll work. Next stop. A vacuum. We're gonna take it all. I mean, technically I don't have to because I'm gonna leave the water hose. Somebody tell me how to, I looked into it. Every place that I've looked into to kind of get the warranty back on these things, you gotta have the receipt. And I mean, I'd love to be able to get free water hoses, but at the same time as I don't have a receipt for it, so yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? So let me know how you do it. It'd be kind of interesting. Well, now that's a small one. I was gonna have to make some room for it, but I mean, to be fair, it could probably just go right there. Getting a mess. If we were to get something big, we're actually gonna have a little bit of a problem, just a little bit, but we'll worry about that when we get to that. Girl's got some leaning problems. Yeah, this thing's, I think we could almost tear it apart. Fit the trailer a little bit better if we're in pieces, right? That's better. That's better. Fits better. I did get a lot of the wires cut off. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Well, I mean, sure. Why not? Let's see if the copper's in this one too. Like the other one. Nope. That's 3. And I think I seen another one that they're maybe putting out too. So 4 dishwashers one day. I don't know. Maybe over there was the better option. Yep. It's actually got a big motor on it, don't it? Let me work with it. I'll be right back. We're still out, we're still doing the thing, we're still finding metal. I mean, we don't stop until we stop, right? So we got two here too? We got two here too. Man, it's the chairs, dishwasher type of day. I mean, we'll take those, right? Wow. That's how I put the dishwashers, for what it's worth. I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess I can stand that one up too, and we can just have dishwashers for dinner. We got metal. Don't really know the use of this set item, but we got it. Right there would do real good. Oh yeah, perfect. Well, that kind of concludes the route today. It's a good one. I had fun. Found 3 dishwashers. I mean, it is a lot of chairs. This, that, a Christmas tree. Found a few things, but we're gonna go ahead and take this to the yard, kind of see what it weighs and what it pays. I'm guessing 500. I'm hoping for more, but 500-ish. So if we hit the mark, we hit the mark. If we don't, we don't. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go to the yard, get all this dumped off, and go from there. All right, well, good morning. Guess I didn't get the wires off the, yeah, it'd be fine. Gate came off. I gotta get it put back on. Look at him. He just wants to play, don't he? He can't help it. I need to keep this. All right, well, I'm gonna get the gate put back on and let's go see what this weighed and paid. Easy enough, right? Well, that is that. It's empty. We had 640 pounds. I said 500, so we was close. 10 cents a pound, still $64. Not too shabby, really. I went ahead and balled it up because I was talking to one of my friends there. Did get the gate kind of fixed back into shape. It is what it is. Yeah, no, I had a blast. Found a lot of dishwashers. I think there is going to be one more too if I would have waited a little longer. I might ride by there a little bit later, kind of see if it's out there. But if it's not, it's not. I'm not gonna cry about it. But at any rate, I had a blast. Found a Christmas tree. Found a little bit of everything, really. And yeah, hope you enjoyed yourselves. You know, if you haven't liked the video or shared it or subscribed, consider it maybe. Rain's starting to move in. Beautiful day though, like 67, and that's gonna kind of conclude our day. And I will definitely see you on the next video. And as always, be yourselves, have fun, enjoy yourself, enjoy what we're given, and just enjoy life. You know, always look for the positives and not the negatives, but always consider the negatives are a possibility. It's you know, got a lot on my mind. You know, I do have someone coming down and looking at the lawn tractor. See the last video that I just put out. Awesome piece of equipment. I think it's going to turn out good for us. He's supposed to come down this weekend and tinker with it. He said he can get it running in a few hours, and if he does, I'll crank it up and I'll take a video of it running. Little segment. But at any rate, if you're interested in that, it's a Kubota G5200 diesel, 3-cylinder diesel. It's a pretty cool little piece of equipment, and I don't think it's going to be a lot for us to get it to where we need to get it. But I digress, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Goodbye.